What's going on YouTube? It's me, Caleb, doing another unboxing video for survivaljunk.com, and this is another item from my friends over at Biolite. They sent me over that Camp Stove 2, which I was excited to just take out of its box, and we also have the Biolite Firepit. And obviously I'll be doing an unboxing on it. Just want to say they did a pretty cool job with the box design. The shish kebabs make me hungry, so I think that's going to be a test I'm going to run on that, is some shish kebabs for sure. But like it says on the box, see fire not smoke, way less smoke, get an efficient burn with less smoke than a conventional fire pit. X-ray mesh, get full visibility into your fire in the feel of floating flames. Dual fuel compatibility, burn charcoal or wood embers for hibachi style grilling experience. And it also is Bluetooth enabled, so you can control the flames manually from your phone. The way it does that is this power unit controls how much airflow is getting into the fire pit. I believe it also has charging capabilities just like the smaller Camp Stove 2 does. And I'm stoked to get this thing put together. Real quick, it just says Biolite combustion, the secret to a better fire. Powered by the 10,400 megahertz USB rechargeable battery, the internal fan circulates air through 51 jets along the fire pit's burn chamber. This calibrated oxygen flow creates a more complete burn, combusting the smoke before it escapes the fire. So Biolite's famous. They do a lot of work in developing countries too. In developing countries, most people cook and have open flames in their house, which obviously can lead to a bunch of issues when you're breathing in smoke. So one of their big goals is to provide cleaner burning stuff for people in developing countries. And I believe every time that you purchase, a portion of that goes towards funding those goals. So it's a really cool idea, cool company. So like I said, you can use either charcoal or wood in this. It's got a Bluetooth optimization, USB airflow pack. It's got 4 fan settings via power button to adjust the intensity of the flames. The pack can detach for recharging from solar car or home via micro USB. Super cool. It's got folding legs, so it's got ease of carry, and it does come with a rain cover, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and see how it looks. Take a gander real quick at the setup there. So it does come with a USB charging cord for the power unit. Here's the actual battery pack itself. Pretty good size, about the size of a football almost. So it hooks up onto this end of the stove. And as I mentioned, it's got charging port to charge the battery itself, USB port so you can charge your cell phone and other devices. We'll see if this has got, looks like it's got some battery on there. So it's got battery light indicator and fan indicator. With 4 different levels of speed on the fan. And you can really feel like that fan's pumping out some air there. So and then powers off just by holding down the power button. So I'm going to figure out how to get this thing fixed and get it all put together, and I'll be right back. So guys, that is all set up. And cool looking little fire pit. I'm excited to test it out tomorrow. So this top grill does come off. You use it if you're planning on cooking with the unit. The bottom fire rack can either be put in this higher position using these two hanging brackets if you're going to use charcoal, or alternatively, if you're going to use wood, you just take it off of there and it's in the lower position. So I will go ahead and get this thing fired up for you guys in another video, so check it out and I'll have it linked. Thanks.